So let's make this template. What you have to do is insert a blank PowerPoint presentation. Now I'll go to shapes and insert the rectangle and no outline. And you have to paste it by clicking on Control D. And there you go. You have to change their sizes randomly. Now select all of them and go to shape format and align and middle. Now merge them to union. There you go. Now you have to move them upwards. Now right click on it, go to format shape, insert your image from picture texture fill, and I'm gonna insert a image in the slide. Now increase its size, move it towards the backwards, go to shape format and artistic effects and blur, give it a radius of 3. There you go. Now duplicate the slide and you're gonna insert an image. Go to shape format and increase their size. Now insert the image that you have used in the shape. Right click on it, go to artistic effects and 3. Now insert a blank slide, go to shapes, insert rectangles as you have done before. Change their uh, colors if you want and change their sizes at random. So now what you have to do is select all of these, go to shape format and align middle. Now merge them to union and insert another image. Now insert an image from pictures into the slide and increase its size and adjust it. Now go to artistic effects, blur and radius to 3. Now insert a blank slide, paste the shape that you have made previously, insert your image and insert your image in the slide and send it to back. Give it a radius of 3 from artistic effects of blur. There you go. Now you have to select the 4 of the slides and go to transitions, click on morph. This is the final result. If you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe my channel and like the video as well. And I will be grateful if you share these videos with your family and friends. Like the video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel as well.